Hey everybody, Bill in Virginia again. And don't you just love our hobby and how, as we look at things, we change and we tweak them and we make them different? I don't like that backdrop. The more I think about it, the more I'm just not satisfied with it. I think the clouds kind of turned out pretty good. The jet flying through looks okay. It just doesn't really feel like what I want to do with it. So I'm not going to throw it away because I actually do like the what I've got on the other side, which is this piece, and this piece goes down by the heavy maintenance shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm already constructing another one. Before I get done tonight, which is Saturday, this one will be at least base coat painted. In fact, I might even have it pretty much painted completely, including the scenery on the backdrop. It's going to be similar to that one, ridge in the background, trees in the foreground. This one is just going to go, and I'm going to put it there, and we'll see what I want to do with it. I still might just take the new one and do two sides. And if that's the case, what I may end up doing is giving that backdrop away. I still haven't decided yet. Have to be somebody that's local who can wants to come and pick it up. It weighs all of like a pound and a half, super light, but no way to ship or anything. So I'll see how it goes. I'm going to get this one put together, put on, and then I'm going to come back and reevaluate what I want to do with that one completely. So building the new backdrop, I've got that new foam strip in and letting the foam adhesive work. And I'm really looking at this, and it is nice and straight and square. You know what? I'm going to get rid of the original backdrop. If you can kind of see what I've got that I'm dealing with on this, and I talked about that early on, it's curved. That particular piece of foam board was warped on both ends. I had to shim it. It's cockeyed, looking even straight down it. So what I'm going to do is, if there is anyone in the Richmond, Virginia area that is interested in that one backdrop, it's the ones with the clouds and the jet on it, let me know in the comments, and we can arrange something and you can come pick it up. Like I said earlier, it is extremely light. It's like pound and a half at the most, but it's a foam board, so it can take a little bit of abuse, but you can't ship it. Somebody's got to come pick it up. So if you're interested, let me know, and you can have it for free. I'm going to do this one as my double-sided, so I'm going to be redoing that and painting and getting this put up over the next week and let it take its place. Still Saturday evening, and moving right along on that replacement backdrop. I have got the filler strip in. The foam adhesive is setting a little bit before I take it back down, take it to the workbench, and start the paint. So tonight I should at least get the sky and some other stuff done. It's still a little bit early, but I don't think I'm going to get it all finished. And then there's the freebie in storage. Here we go. Backdrop redo for that one particular piece on the HO scale. And I am a lot happier with this one. Nice smattering of clouds. I've got the backdrop painted in. Reasonably similar to the first one, but you know, the seam is less visible where the two come up together. Colorations are good. You know, coming across this way, the backdrop is nice and straight. It's not curved and warped like the other one. I've got the backside backdrop painted. So for the other side, that should go. I like the kind of clouds that I've got over on this side. And of course the far piece was one that I already had done. So I'm satisfied. Next thing that I'm going to start to do on this this week in the evening hours is I will start to add material in and around where I've got the trees, where I know I'm going to have scenery, because I can do that. Other areas I'm still going to have building flats that'll eventually go in, so I'm going to be doing some work on those yet, so I'm not going to be too big of a hurry to do that, but I can add trees there. I can add trees right there. I can add trees down by the station. I can add trees down at the very end. And then I can flip them around and come over, and I can do trees down by where the little Boy Scout camp is, down by the roundhouse, and a couple of other areas I can add some stuff. So I've got some more scenery. As you guys know, I like scenery, and I have fun doing it. So that's it for this one. Let's run some trains, both HO and N scale.